Hello again. I've just done a quick video on a project which I've just finished, and it's the Vespid Models 172 scale Leopard 2A7. Now, I'm going to show this to you on my state-of-the-art turntable, which is basically my stool. Please bear with me. So this is the kit which I have built. I'm taking this video outdoors so that you get a bit of natural light and you can get to see the model. So that's the Leopard 2A7V, and it's a beautiful kit actually. And let me just zoom that in so you can see it. So you can see the detail is really nice. Okay, all the bells and whistles are there. The only thing which I added was the radio aerials. Okay, so let me just turn this around and open it up just a bit. Yeah, so you can see that. And I like the natural light because then you can see the finish. Basically the model was painted with spray paints from the can, and it's faster but very much more expensive way of doing it. And I was using mostly Tamiya spray cans, the TS range. So these are all actually enamel. You have your basic NATO greens, NATO brown, and the black is NATO black, but I mean any black will do. But generally turns out pretty well. The camouflage pattern was not sprayed. The camouflage pattern was painted freehand using basically your standard brush, or what I normally call a hairy stick. Okay, so what I like about this kit is that the photo edge, they provide a lot of photo edge. Okay, and the photo edge actually works in the sense that it is appropriate. It's what you need. So it looks pretty good. I like this. Let me just show you this. The tow cables come with the kit, right? And they're made of steel. They are fastened on using photo edge. Okay. All the markings that you see here all came from the kit itself. The gun barrel is metal. Okay, a plastic one is also provided, but the detail is not anywhere near the same. And of course, it's metal, and I paid for it, so I might as well use it, right? You can also see here the non-slip texture which has been provided. Let me just zoom in so that you can see it. You can see that the non-slip texture has been provided as slightly raised. Okay, so all that lovely detail has been provided, right? You can see it here, right there. Now I want to show you something which was just, and this is one reason why I wanted to post this video, because I wanted to show you something really geeky. Okay, now typically this would be fixed because it's fixed, right? Because it's one piece. But Vespid managed to engineer it such that if you want to, you can move it. And of course I can't do it right now because it's all stuck. But take it from me, the gun barrel actually elevates up and down, and that is how they did it. The armored plate on top is molded separate, okay, and it is secured by that top piece, so the whole thing moves up and down. When I can get that to work properly without breaking the whole thing, I'll post another video. Okay, so where's your Vespid Models Leopard? And Okay, just tilt that just so you can get the better light and view of the wheels. Okay, the tracks are beautiful. They just go together so easily. Okay, love it. To me, this is state of the art. Okay, I mean that phrase is often used, and most people would use it just to describe something crazy, but this is next level as far as I'm concerned. This is really beautiful. You would have thought that something like this would be difficult to put together, but in actual fact it's put together in a way that is easy, intuitive, okay, and the instructions are very, very clear. So I could put it together fairly easily. So if I can do it, anybody else can do it. It's not rocket science, which is another oft-used phrase. Okay, I'll get that thing to work, but it does. When I was building it, I was just geeking out, making it go up and down and everything else. It was really, really nice to play with, and to watch how that engineering worked. I mean, I spent an evening just sitting back and just marveling at it. Okay, so again, that armored piece, oh sorry about that, that armored piece over there is loose actually, and it will elevate. Okay, that's my video, and I hope that it gives you a sense of what you can get. This is just one result. I'm very happy with it. I wouldn't claim to be a very good modeler, but I think I managed to achieve a fairly decent result. So thank you very much for having a look, and I'll check in again soon. Bye, and happy modeling.